Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rajni Goyal. Welcome back to my class. Today we will discuss the topic human digestive system. As we know that all of us eat food to get energy. This energy we use to do work and play. We eat both raw as well as cooked food. Fruits and some vegetables like carrots and radish are eaten raw, whereas pulses and cereals are cooked. Cooked food is easy to chew, it is tasty as well as easy to digest. Our body cannot directly use the nutrients from the food we eat. It needs to break down the nutrients into simple and easy form. So, foods undergo some changes passing through various organs of the body. So, the digestion means the process of changing food into simpler form is called digestion. So, why digestion is important? Because it is the simpler form of the food and that can be easily absorbed by the blood. There are some foods like salads, fruits and vegetables which are easy to digest. Junk foods like chow mein, burger, etc. and oily foods are difficult to digest. So we should eat food that is khichdi because it is light food. Our digestive system helps in the breakdown of foods that we eat. So it is made up of different organs. Like first one is mouth, then esophagus. Esophagus also called food pipe. Next one is stomach. Fourth one is small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum, and at the end anus is there. Some other glands of the digestive system are liver, pancreas and salivary glands which are present in the mouth. So the process of digestion starts from mouth and ends at the part of the body called anus. Here in the mouth ingestion process will occur and at the end of the part called anus egestion will be there. So ingestion means intake of food into the mouth is called ingestion. Egestion means removal of waste products or undigested food in the form of feces from the body is called egestion. Here in the small intestine and large intestine absorption will be there. Absorption means the process by which products of digestion are absorbed by the blood to be supplied to the rest part of the body. During absorption, the digested products are transported into the blood through the mucous membrane. Here in the stomach, mechanical digestion as well as chemical digestion is there. What is the difference between mechanical and chemical digestion? In the mechanical digestion, it involves physically break down the food into simpler pieces. It starts from mouth when the food is chewed. Here, chemical digestion involves breakdown of food into simpler nutrients that can be used by the cells. It begins in the mouth when food mixes with saliva. So this is the difference between mechanical as well as chemical digestion. After that we will discuss digestion in mouth. The first part of the process digestion is mouth. The process of digestion starts from our mouth. When we put food in our mouth and chew it with the help of our teeth, it gets mixed with saliva. So what is saliva? Saliva is a sweet juice that comes from salivary gland which are present in our mouth. Saliva contains mucus which makes the food moist as well as soft. So it is easy to pass down the food into the next part, that is called esophagus. Saliva contains enzyme amylase which break down the starch which are present in the food into breakdown into sugar form. So from the mouth, now the food passes into the food pipe, that is called esophagus. The muscles of the food pipe pushes food down into the stomach. So what is stomach? Stomach is located on the left side of our body. It is muscular bag. When food enters the stomach, it expands due to contraction and relaxation of the stomach muscles. The food break down into simple pieces. In the stomach, food mixes with a juice called gastric juice. This juice help in the digestion of proteins which are present in the food. Protein will change into amino acids. So here in the stomach, the food will be half digested and will be in the semi-liquid form, and that semi-liquid form of the food is called chyme. Chyme moves to the next part, that is called small intestine. Here in the small intestine, food mixed with different digestive juices which are secreted by its walls. Liver and pancreas also pour their secretion into small intestine. This is liver and this is pancreas. From the liver, bile juice is secreted and pancreatic juice is secreted by pancreas. These juices help to completely digest the food. Remember one thing, the digestion of the fat starts from the small intestine. There is no digestion of fat in our mouth or nor in our stomach. The first part of fat digestion is in the small intestine. The digested food is almost liquid form. So the blood vessels which are present in the small intestine absorb it and carry it to all parts of the body. From here, that is small intestine, the food will pass down into the large intestine. Here in the large intestine, the undigested food which contains roughage and water passes into the large intestine. The blood vessels which are present in the walls of large intestine absorb the extra water and carry it to the kidneys. The undigested food which is in the form of semi-solid waste is pushed out through the anus. So the importance of chewing food. Why is it important to chew the food? Because chewing the food properly is a very important act in the process of good digestion of food. It also helps in swallowing the food easily. Swallowing means the food moves from mouth into the stomach by using the muscles of throat. Throat is the part of the neck. It releases saliva which makes our food soft and easy to digest. When we chew the food well, it changes to small pieces which are easily passed through the esophagus. Chewing properly helps to strengthen our teeth, gums and jaws. So there are some rules for healthy digestion. The first step is wash your hands before and after meals. Eat food at fixed timing. Do not overeat. Eat slowly and chew the food well. After the food, after eating the food, rinse your mouth. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Eat fresh food. Avoid eating from local vendors. Thank you very much. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, press like button, subscribe our channel and visit our channel for more videos. Thank you very much.